Hello there and welcome to my channel. So I'm here with another WhatsApp tutorial video. In this video I'm going to show you guys how you can turn off your active status or your last seen on your WhatsApp. So it's very simple, just like I said earlier. So now let's get going with the tutorial. So to do this, let's just tap on the three dots here and now let's move to our settings. On here we move to privacy, which is this. So at our privacy we can see last seen and online. So now let's tap on that. So by default it should be on everyone, which is who can see my last seen. So when it's set to everyone, WhatsApp can see when you were active on WhatsApp. So my contact is for only your contact, and my contact except is you're going to exclude some people from your contact from seeing your last seen. And then nobody is going to see your last seen at all, whether they use WhatsApp. Nobody can see it. And now here too is who can see when I'm online. So when you're online talking to somebody online, you see the active status there online, so you can turn it off as well. So when you choose nobody here, you can choose this to see him as last seen, something like that. But then if you want everyone to see whether you're online, you can select everyone, but in my case I want it to be same as my last seen. So that's it on how you can turn off your active status or your last seen on WhatsApp. If you are new here, try to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. That's it for the video. Peace.